Hello everyone, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In today's video, I'll teach you how to make a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, I'm going to start with a slip knot and I'll make 20 chain stitch for the single crochet. One, two, three. Make your 20 chain stitch and meet me. Please don't work into the back loop. So for the single crochet, I'm going to skip the very first chain stitch and insert my hook into the second chain stitch from the hook, like this. This is my first chain stitch. Insert your hook into the second chain stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, just one loop. You'll have two loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, poof. So this here is your single crochet. I'm going to make my next single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. You will have two loops, yarn over, pull through, poof. This is my next single crochet. Try to make all this single crochet with the same height. We're going to make one full row of single crochet. You must have same amount of single crochet with the first row. I'll make the last single crochet. Finish row 1. I'll make the chain 1. So one chain stitch is actually a height of one single crochet. Turn other side. Make your single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, poof. If you're beginner, please count your single crochet. Complete row. This is my last single crochet of row 2. Chain 1 and turn other side. You can make rows of single crochet if you want. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye.